Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much to all of you, and thank you, Mr. Tavred sir, the director of ARCC. First of all, I would like to thanks to Mr. Tavred Alam, who has given me the opportunity to have some words before you, and I have also get the respect to be the judge of your competition of speech. I have heard all of the students and everyone given best. They have whatever you have delivered, whatever you have put your words related to your topics is really admirable, praiseable and acceptable. I am happy with the performance each and every students, and I must say and must clap to all of you for this great effort and hard work for this.
Thank you, sir.
During your lecture, I have heard everyone. I got so many good new things from all of the students, like confidence, and second, the sound that you were creating during your lecture. The both things are very acceptable. And the lecture that you were believers, there were so many lackness and there are so many good things. But on that, I have to give my remarks because I have to select good one among you. According to me, you all are good. You all are the best because you are the students and you are doing your best and giving the best your effort. And the way you are doing, you will rock in your life and you will succeed in your life. But the thing, keep in your mind, never stop doing your hard work. Keep doing hard work, always focus on your goal and have patience, and always cooperate your teacher and support your teacher. Whatever he is giving you as a task, as a homework, must follow and do it. The remarks has been given on the paper and it has been going on counting. Let's see what is going to happen. But whatever the marks will come before you, don't take it as a panic. Don't think about that. I've got the less mark from that student. I have received the poor marks. Don't think like that. If you are today failure, it doesn't mean you are failure. You will be failure in the future also. Failure means it means not that you cannot succeed. You cannot go ahead. Failure teach you that what the lackness is in me, and that will give you the stamina and energy how to improve my mistakes, how to improve yourself. So always focus on your weakness, always work on that. One day when you will go on that, one day the success will touch your steps and the success will come to your hand. So don't lose heart, just keep yourself boost up, and whatever the result may be, just be happy, keep quiet and listen and go with the happy heart. Okay, thank you very much.